Hello again on YouTube. I'm back again with a big unboxing today. I've got 5 Blu-rays what I ordered from Amazon yesterday. So to start with, I've got A-Team. So I'm going to unbox them one after another. Comes with a digital copy. It's extended edition. Been wanting to get this for a bit. So yeah. So QR code or whatever you call them. So yeah. Basically the same as the slipcover. Hopefully my AS Combat will come today through normal post as well. That's a code there just for me, just a copy. It's Blu-ray. That's basically a digital copy. So yeah. So that's A-Team on Blu-ray. Not too bad, £7 from that. Next I got Fuzz on Blu-ray. Just picked it up, don't know why, just wanted to get it, so yeah. Nick Frost, Simon Pegg. So yeah, let's crack it open. Well, this doesn't come with proper shrink wrap, so this has already been opened. This is basically a Blu-ray disc, saying Fuzz. So, not really special. So that's that. Next one is another one by Nick Frost and Simon Pegg. Paul. This one, they had it on offer on Amazon as well. This was £7 as well. So you can win a trip, basically, with that. Got Paul, Simon Pegg, Nick Frost, Paul, Thingamabob. So you got it back. It includes extended edition of theatrical. So yeah, that's alright, didn't know that. So let's crack it open. If it wants to open up. Got this sticky stuff to my hand and I can't get it off. There we go. That's it. Paul. I know they had triple play edition for like £16, but what's the point? Don't really need DVD and digital copy. Next one is a really good film, Men in Black. Shame they haven't brought Men in Black 2 out on Blu-ray, but Men in Black 3 is out next year, hopefully. So yeah, let's crack it open. Got a code here for some that. So you got Blu-ray thing, and then you got the actual inside, which has got background artwork. Really nice artwork on disc as well. So that's that. And lastly, I got Superbad, the 2-disc extended edition. It's fancy the comedy, really. So, yeah. So let's crack up. Let's get this into this. Ooh. So I've got another one of these codes. Another one of them. And yep, you got your normal regular Blu-ray. And you got another one on Blu-ray, which is your bonus disc. Which is nice. That's that. So that's my unboxing of the 5 new Blu-rays. A-Team, Fuzz, Paul, Men in Black and Superbad. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. I've also got hopefully another 3 today. Another 1 Blu-ray and 2 games. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, remember to comment, thumbs up, and subscription is very appreciated. Thanks for watching.